Okay, round two. I checked spark, we have spark. It should start up this time. I have all my friends here, my cheering squad. Oh, it's not going to start up yet. One spark plug cap. Wow, I saw that. Okay, here we go. Pull my pants up.
It's very exciting. Whoa. Was that good?
Okay, round two. One spark plug cap. Okay, here we go. Pull my pants up.
It's very exciting.
Whoa.
Whoa. Was that good?
Noise is a tachometer, so I need to disconnect it.
Woo!
But it's running.
Yay!
That beautiful blue smoke and smell.
So loud.
Isn't that nice? That's cool.
That was so good. Good job, Ken. That was so good. Good job, Ken.
Well, that's very cool. So far, so good. I'm just going to look around for leaks and stuff. Got some two-stroke oil coming up this pipe, and I think I see it on this one. Yes, I do. That's a good sign. I'm going to start it again and make sure that it's pumping oil at idle. I have the stupid noisy tachometer syndrome. Obnoxious things. Remember I said the coolant only took, I don't remember how much it took, but it didn't take the full amount. It's low. I'm going to add some more coolant now. Got no idle to fix that. Just ran it for a little while longer. Sounds really good. It's unfortunate I had to disconnect the tachometer. So I don't really know how many RPMs I have the idle set at, but it sounds all right. It is heating up. It's doing everything it should. I'm carefully watching the oil. It's right here right now. Yeah, that sounds really good. Very good. That's hot, real hot. That's not. I think it's doing its job. It's pretty hot, it's pretty warm. It's not nearly as hot as that header pipe right there. It's time for another start. This right side carburetor oil line, I don't know if you can see where that oil is. There. The left side one has made it to here. So we're getting there. Left side oil is up to here now. I went over and pulled on the oil pump cable to give it full flow for a little bit and got it over here real quick. So once that oil gets all the way up here to the carburetor, I'll start adding more fuel to my fake gas tank up here. Straight fuel without oil in it. My Ember coffee cup is even smoking. It's pretty excited about all this activity. I do recommend this product. This thing works great. I was resistant for a long time to get one of these. Now I'm loving it. This thing needs some body work, doesn't it?